welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma, and today we're going to be doing a closet tour. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we upload. Today's video is sponsored by Poshmark, and I'm going to be cleaning out my closet, organizing it, and picking out 10 items to sell on my Poshmark account. So here is my closet before we're going to organize it. As you can see, it's got a mess, tons of messy shelves, and a whole lot of clothes. I have this old toy box over here that's full of different like LPS things that I had when I was younger, and I haven't got rid of them. So I'll be right back with a clean closet. So I spent the whole day cleaning my closet and my room, and during that we managed to pick out 10 items to sell on Poshmark. Poshmark is a simple and fun way to buy and sell fashion. It's an app where you can shop the closets of people across America and sell yours too. You can buy things off of my Poshmark closet using the free app. Link will be in the description. One important detail before you sign up, you can use our code to get $5 off of any item on Poshmark. Our code is KittiesMamaYT. We have 4 items in our closet that I'm about to show you that are $5. You can basically get those items for free if you use our code. First thing is this designer Junona dress. I got this while I was walking in a fashion show for Junona. I was wearing a giant poofy dress, and the designer gave out 1 free dress to each model, but my dress is too small, so I'm going to be selling it on Poshmark. So the charm is a little butterfly with an L on it because this is a line of fashion called Lollipop by Junona. The bottom has 2 different colors of tulle, one maroon and one a creamy color, and the back has a giant bow that is detachable. It's a very high quality dress. It has this nice hidden zipper that's barely noticeable whenever you wear it. It's brand new with tags. Like I said, I never wore it because it was too small for me. But you guys can wear it. Check out my Poshmark. The second item is a light in the box blue poofy dress. This is for my 11th birthday party where I had an evening of elegance and everyone wore fancy dresses. And this is one of the dresses left over. It doesn't fit me anymore, and I planned on wearing it to a convention, but I can no longer wear it to anything. I'd say it's good for like maybe an Alice in Wonderland cosplay or just being cute. It has a cute sash that you can tie into a bow in the back. I really like how it has 2 different layers, like a Cinderella dress where it has this right here, and underneath is a nice soft blue. It's light in the box, so it's well made, and it fit me nicely while it lasted, and it's very high quality. It's great. Next item is a Harley Quinn jacket. I wore this for my Harley Quinn video, and it's very high quality. It's more like an actual jacket and less of one of those costume jackets where it's like a single piece of fabric. But this is, it has multiple layers, and you can actually wear it anywhere if you'd like to. It's got pockets on the inside, whoa. So on the back it says property of Joker, established since forever, put in freaky style. The sleeves have this pretty gold line down them. So if you're a Harley Quinn fan, you will love this jacket. I'd say this is a very good jacket if you just want to be a casual Harley Quinn. Next, I have 2 pairs of shoes. One of them are my punk rock gold boots. These are Kid Pick boots, which is by Nina, meaning that they are Nina quality, which is high quality. These were my favorite boots for a long time until I bought a new pair of cool looking boots recently where they're taller and they've got really cool buckles across them. I really like them, so I've switched from these boots to those. Next up is a pair of black Nina flats. These are just standard ballet flats, except the black is a little bit shiny. It's really pretty if you want to have like a subtle, maybe metallic-y kind of look. But these are really pretty, and they're just super standard black flats. The tip of the shoe is a nice patent leather, and the rest of it is a very sparkly suede. And up here it has a very cute bow. And these are Nina, so you know that they're good quality. Next up is a whole bunch of accessories. The first accessory is a coral coach wristlet. I took this with me to BeautyCon the first time I went, which I've only gone once, but it matched nicely with my dress, and it comes with a nice way you can put it on your wrists because it's a wristlet. It has a little authentic Coach tag, because this is authentic. We went to the Coach store and bought this, so we're not trying to sell you anything fake. It has 2 different compartments. One is just empty, and the other has different little spots where you can put cards. Next up is a Coach bag. It's very colorful. We didn't actually buy this at a Coach store. Pretty sure my grandma bought it on a cruise, which makes it sound fancy. So while we're doing research to put this up on Poshmark, we realized that it's a total fake. So instead we're gonna be listing a whole ton of scarves. We have a black polka dot infinity scarf. We have a white with little silvers in it scarf. Little silvers. We have a green scarf with daisies on it. We have a nautical scarf, pink striped scarf, and a green scarf with silver strands in it. And I've had this since I was like 5. So we're gonna list all of those together. Sorry about that Coach purse. I mean, if you want a fake purse, we could list it, but I don't know. I think we might get in trouble, so. Yeah. All right, next up is this cute Sorio bag. It can be a clutch, but in the back zipper compartment, you could open it up, and there's a nice little way to make it into a crossbody. I got 2 of these from BeautyCon. One of them I kept, and this one is a duplicate that I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark closet. It has this nice little triangle keychain that says the brand name on it, and on the back it thanks you for purchasing their item. Even though we didn't purchase this, we got it for free. This is whatever this is. A snake on a triangle, you say?
Dun dun dun.
Whoa! The inside, let me just undo that. The inside, let me take out this piece real quick. The inside doesn't have any extra compartments. It's mainly just a fashion wristlet. Not much for like practicality of like using it as a wallet. It's more just like an accessory. The next items are a lot of kid pick accessories. This one is a bracelet. They come in these cute little drawstring bags that you can tighten and loosen, and they're really, really cute. Next up, we have a bunch of patches. Since I worked with Kid Pick, I got a lot of duplicates and a lot of different stuff, and I don't need all of it, so I'm going to be selling some of it on my Poshmark. And next up, we have this bag with belts in them. Let me open it up. So in here, we have 2 different belts, and this one is silver covered in rhinestones. The buckle is silver, so this would go good with any black or outfits with gray. And this, also I'm pretty sure it's a belt. It's tiny, so I'm not entirely sure if it's a belt, but it has a nice paisley bohemian style on it. And the buckle is this. So that will be the Kid Pick accessories lot. Next up, we have a whole bunch of jewelry and accessories. We have these gold bracelets from Light in the Box. We originally got these for Gigi, a Monster High tutorial, and I don't know her last name. She's a genie. She's like a pink character. She's got crazy hair that like goes up like Jasmine's, and we tried to do the wig and it was impossible. So we're gonna be selling these because we're not actually gonna do the tutorial anymore. Other than those, in this lot we have a little spoon necklace from Light in the Box. This is super cute, I like this. We got this for Madeline Hatter. We had duplicates and I wore one of them for the costume, and this was a duplicate. Next up we have a little Disney charm. It is, hold on, let me hold this right. It's a green, blue, pink, and gold accented butterfly. It has cute little heart charms up at the top near the clasp. It's really cute, it just doesn't match anything I own. So those are the things I'm selling on my Poshmark closet. You can click the link down below to check them out. There's plenty of other shops that sell tons of designer items like Nike, Michael Kors, and Louis Vuitton. You guys can make your own closets by clicking the link in the description, and go ahead and comment your closet handles, but make sure to ask for your parents' permission if you are under 18 and for their help. Poshmark is like a social media as well, so whenever you comment your handles, I can friend you guys. So, here's the closet tour portion of the video. This is my new clean closet. It was a giant mess before we organized all this. So, I have it separated in different sections. Starting with clothes, I have the short sleeve section right here, and my uniform stuff is all separated from normal stuff by being over here. It's very easy access, so I can just walk in, take my uniform, and get dressed, and I'm ready. Up here is a whole bunch of American Girl stuff. I have the new Girl of the Year. Here are some accessories. There's a few dresses hanging to the side. And right here, I have Build-A-Bear clothes. Over here, I have a bunch of angel knickknacks. I used to collect like a few angels when I was younger. So this one's for my grandma, and those two in the back were made by my dad. Because my dad is a sculptor, and he's real darn good at it. And then right here is just a Sloan's bag, which is an ice cream shop. It's really good. I suggest you go there. This is like smooshy mushy stuff that we got sent. They're really cute squishies. And then here is Disney ears and headbands that I have. Here's a little Disney sticker that I'm going to put back on the Disney ears. Down here I have other accessories like a scarf, hats, and more headbands that wouldn't really look the best up here. And this is a Hufflepuff scarf because I'm a Hufflepuff. And down here are some books and comics that I have. I have some manga, and I have some of the old Voltron comics back here. And then I just have the People of Sparks back here, but you know, it's just kind of back there. I also have this unicorn head. This is apparently a squirrel feeder, and this was part of like those finger unicorns, but it just looks funny on top of that. Down here I have my ballet bag and a Voltron Kigurumi. Over here I've got decoration bags, a sand animal, a whole ton of souvenirs, and knickknacks that have sentimental value. Down here are all of my jeans and leggings, and over here I have camis and ballet gear. Here I have a whole bunch of different jackets. Some of them aren't like outdoor jackets. Like this is just one that I wear around the house from time to time, and then I have sweatshirts and just jackets that go with certain outfits. Here is a nice little thing that I bought where I can stick pictures, and here is a thing where I can put slime and other little fun things to mess with. This is here because it goes along with that. And this right here is a lint roller because we own 3 cats, so I'm gonna need one of those. This top thing is full of lanyards and different leftover bags that we have from jewelry and makeup and all that. This right here is just a backpack. I mean, we were gonna hang it up on the wall, but we don't have any things to hang it with, so it's just on a shelf. Here is a whole bunch of art supplies and a whole ton of art books. Like, none of these are facing the right way, but look. Nice art books, because I'm an aspiring artist, and I want to be good at art. So, follow my Pop Jam. Wrong video. So I've got a whole bunch of art books and art supplies right here. And all the way down from there is blankets and a hidden backpack, but mainly blankets. Up here I have dresses and skirts and all that. And then down here I have long-sleeved and soft things. In this corner we have art supplies. This isn't like a desk where I can draw because it's barely above my knees. So how am I supposed to draw on this? But, you know, this is where I'm gonna keep my supplies. And underneath is more art supplies. So I've got a whole lot of those. Oh, and here are the boots that I was talking about. Aren't they cute? I love them. Look at how cool they are. I mean, they're less spiky, but I really like them. A laundry hamper. And a shoe cubby. This is full of a whole bunch of different shoes. And then this is just kind of miscellaneous stuff that I need to, like, I need to put this somewhere. I need to put this together. And this right here is the last thing I did in public school before I left. It's not finished, and my mom hung it up here as a joke on my closet, and it's honestly very funny, so I'm keeping it up. Here's a whole bunch of garbage. I'm gonna put these in my wallet once I find them. Here's deodorant. Here's Play-Doh. A bunch of random coins. Alright, the next thing is a hidden jewelry spot. So here's all of my jewelry. I have most of my earrings and chokers up here. I've also got some necklaces, mostly back there. And down here, I have bags, charms, and hats. So now that we're done with my closet, I'm gonna move on to my room. We might as well show you my cleaned up room right now because why waste the opportunity? But we will do a full-on room tour a different time. So let's go on out. Look at that. Look at that good light. It's much better than this ugly yellow. Here is my room. It's clean. A rare occurrence. There's SD cards on the couch, but that's normal. And a cat on the dresser over there. That's also normal. I hope you enjoyed my closet tour and a glimpse at my room. Make sure to click the link down below to download the Poshmark app and make your own closet. And check out my closet and possibly buy some of the items. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these rectangles to watch more videos and click this circle to subscribe. An authentic Coach bag.
Watch it not be authentic.